sorry attorney, ano ka, tanga o nagtatanga-tangahan? And you know that na pwede ka ma-disbar because of this. You know that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Maluwang ba yung kulungan pa dyan sa baba? Meron pa bang bakante?
Wala, marami pa.
Anong tawag niya pag kinukontem? Andito ba si Attorney Basilio Lazaro? No, Lazaro ang apelido mo. Bakit ka naging gas ko? Kaya tinawag kitang Lazaro kasi ayaw mong buhayin yung patay. Patay na to, matagal na patay, binuhay mo. Pwedeng palitan mo, Lazaro, kasi yung patay kaya mo rin buhayin. And I'll explain to you bakit. Yung patay kaya nitong buhayin, Mr. Chair. Kaya nga dapat Lazaro ang apelido mo. I'll tell you why. Kaya po tayo nandito at ito mga nabanggit ko sa aking opening statement ay sapagkat meron pong ginawang injustice dito ang DMCI para sa mga manggagawang nanalo na ng kaso sa Supreme Court. Andito ba si Attorney Basilio Lazaro? No, Lazaro ang apelido mo. Bakit ka naging gas ko? Pwedeng palitan mo, Lazaro, kasi yung patay kaya mo rin buhayin. And I'll explain to you bakit. Yung patay kaya nitong buhayin, Mr. Chair. Kaya nga dapat Lazaro ang apelido mo. I'll tell you why. Yes. Attorney Lazaro, excuse me. Attorney Gascon. Meron kang binuhay na patay. Why did you do that? Attorney Gascon, politiko yung tanong ko, yung patay, kaya mong buhayin, although not literally, figuratively. Paano mo nagawa yun at bakit mo ginawa?
Your Honor, I didn't do anything that resurrecting any dead, Your Honor.
You did not.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have here a copy of the release and quit claim, which was notarized by you, dated June 29, 2009. Right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ikaw nag-notarize na ito.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Do you have a copy?
Get a copy. Maluwang ba yung kulungan pa dyan sa baba? Meron pa bang bakante?
Wala, marami pa.
Anong tawag niya pag kinukontem?
Yes, I have, Your Honor. I have a copy. Your Honor.
You have. Lifiel I. Marikit. Yan. Isa sa mga pumirma sa release and quit claim na kung saan ninotarize mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Si Marikit ay patay na. Nung time na pumirma siya rito.
I have no knowledge, Your Honor, during the time that he was dead or he was already dead, Your
You
Honor.
have no knowledge.
Yeah.
Paano ka ba nag-notarize? Ano yung proseso ng pag-notarize?
Of course, Your Honor, you have to verify the the identities of the
And how do you verify the identity?
by showing their IDs, Your Honor.
No, didn't they appear to you personally?
These
For your notarized?
these two persons, Your Honor, did not appear to me personally.
Well then, yun nga ang problema. Kasi yan ang pinaka number one requirement na pag merong isang tao nagpapanotarize sa iyo, he or she should be present in front of you and verify his or her identification, compare that identification, pictures and all doon sa kaharap mo.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And you did not do that.
I put it in my notes, Your Honor, in my notarial book, Your Honor.
No. Sabi mo kasi wala ka knowledge at hindi siya sumipot. Sumipot ba siya o hindi?
Hindi po siya sumipot, Your Honor.
Then bakit mo dinotarize na hindi pala siya sumipot? Ang pinakita lang sa iyo, dokumento. And all these people here, not only Marikit, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them did not appear before you. And you just, binigyan ka lang itong dokumento na pirmado na and then pumirma ka na lang.
No, Your Honor. They personally appeared to me, Your Honor, except only the two, Your Honor.
Except.
Lidsel
Then dapat hindi mo tinuloy yung pag-notarize or binura mo siya.
You shouldn't have included the names of the two persons who did not appear to you personally.
It's a pre-forma, Your Honor, when it was given to me. And then
Excuse me?
it's a pre-forma, Your Honor. It's the documents are already prepared when it was presented to me, Your Honor.
Then dapat binura mo. o idinilit mo, inalis mo. Yung dalawa na wala sa harap mo. Yun yung pinaka-basic eh. Attorney. You
Yeah,
should know, attorney. Otherwise,
I know, Your Honor, but
baka masampang ka ng disbarment.
I included it, Your Honor, in my notarial book, where in fact it is dated 2009. I clearly state that non-appearance of Lidfield Maratan Maritime
Kaya
Affairs
sa
and Tax.
Attorney Lazaro, Attorney Gascon, very basic yan eh, pag notarize eh. Di ba? Yung nagpapanotarize, kailangan nandyan sa harap mo at kumpletos ng mga identification para i-compare mo yung ID na presenta sa iyo at yung mga picture doon, tumutugma doon sa kaharap mo. Now, kung wala doon, yung dalawa, hindi nag-appear sa iyo, then dapat tinanggal mo itong pangalan ng dalawa. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, pwede ka ma-disbar dito. Pwede ka ma-disbar. And you know that. Kaya tinawag kitang Lazaro kasi ayaw mong buhayin yung patay. Patay na to eh, matagal na patay, binuhay mo. Attorney Gascon, dito sa acknowledgement sa pag-notarize mo. So, umpisa pa lang sabi rito, before me, a notary public for and in the above jurisdiction, this June 29, 2009, tapos at Makati City, personally appeared for the second time. Pero sabi mo, hindi nag-appear. So, dito, nanumpa ka, nilagay mo yung pangalan mo, pumirma ka, sinasabi mo na personally appeared, and yet hindi pala. So, dapat ma-disbar ka.
Senator, again, what I'm referring only is the two-person, Your Honor, but the
Kaya nga, di ba? Dalawang hindi nag-appear. Eh dito, sinabi mo na personally appeared. Yan o, ikot-ikot tayo rito, hindi tayo matatapos. Personally appeared. Lawyer ka, what does it mean? Ano ibig sabihin ng personally appeared? Itagalog mo.
personal po silang humarap sa akin.
Exactly. So personal na humarap ba yung dalawa? Lalo na itong si Marikit? Hindi. Dahil patay na eh.
Yes, Your Honor, I acknowledge that fact, Your Honor.
Na hindi siya umapir.
Yeah, the two,
O
Your Honor.
bakit mo ninotarize? Eh wala pala sa harap mo ito si Marikit at yung isa pa. Sana hindi mo ninotarize. Sana pinatanggal mo yung pangalan o pinaulit mo. Sabi mo, baguhin nyo yan, tanggalin nyo yung dalawang wala rito. Next time, pag nagpresenta kayo ng dokumento, paharap nyo lahat with all the IDs.
Again, Your Honor, in good faith during that time, I just based on the notarial rule that you could not notarize a document to the extent of the person that you only to the extent of the person who appeared to you, Your Honor.
Sorry, attorney. Ano ka, tanga o nagtatanga-tangahan? Then you know that na pwede ka ma-disbar because of this. You know that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Dahil lang sa isang pirma o dalawang pirma, madidisbar ka, napakababaw na disbarment case yan. Because of two signatures, madidisbar ang isang attorney Basilio D. Gascon Jr. And you know that. Right? Okay, and you keep saying in good faith. Ando na tayo, maybe in good faith. Pero yung in good faith na reason na binibigay mo, it just shows na talagang meron kang ginawang glaring violation. Kahit na baliktad-baliktad natin. Sa kanong kadahilanan, alam mo na yon. You and me know.